officially live. Part 2, second live of the day. Welcome. A lot has happened in not a lot of time. Crazy, unprecedented moments in the market. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. Right. There we go. Welcome. Hello. Good to have you all on the stream. TikTok Live, the most amazing platform on the planet. Let's go. Boom. 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 Welcome. Good to have you all. We'll put it there. We'll put it there. Bada bing. Bada boom. Alright. Nice. Sweet. Got it out over there. And now we got it out over here. So are you guys seeing what's on my screen right now? What's on my screen right now is really, really impressive. Oh, I see the problem. My OBS. Let's switch that out. Okay. There we go. There we go. Hello. Sorry, everybody. I was just a little square before, but now I'm a big square. Pleasure to have you all on the stream. This is Crypto Rap Live. $6.35 million market cap and climbing. $8.7 million volume. This is less than 2 days old. In fact, it's just over 1 day old. Dave Portnoy strikes again. You were not expecting this, were you? A really, really impressive performance coming out of the Greed 3 project. Greed 3. So this is Dave Portnoy's 4th consecutive rug pull that he has launched. He is still going. He is an absolute menace to the Solana blockchain. And look, as I speak, it gained $500,000 market cap. Still absolutely mooning. This is 6.6 million. It was just wicking up to 7 million. When we started looking at it, it was at 6.2. When we saw this earlier, I was streaming earlier today, just a few short hours ago, and it was less than 3 million market cap. So what is happening here? We have seen over a ×2 since the last time I was streaming. Now we already know, it's been confirmed on the blockchain that this is officially launched from Dave Portnoy's wallet. That part is inescapable. It's confirmed, blockchain verified. If you look and trace the transactions, the same wallet that was launching the previous projects, that was trading with Dave Portnoy's portfolio, launched this project. Sleepy Boy says, what is this? This is Greed 3. Greed 3. Now, what's interesting to note here is the tagline for this project is, "This time we all win." The full title of the project on Dex Screener is Greed 3, This Time We All Win. Now, Dave Portnoy's approach to this project is very different from his usual MO. Usually he's quite boisterous and promoting all over the place that his project has come out and he wants people to buy it. He's usually brazen and clear in his attack plan. Usually he tells you straight up that he's going to rug you guys. He's usually on live when he's promoting or launching these tokens, etc., etc. Aprick says, Aprick says, gained 6 soul on this thanks to your Discord. Cheers, Aprick. Cheers. I'm happy to hear that. Guys, if you are not in the Discord, it's totally free. We're not selling you anything. That guy made 6 Solana just from being in there. Crypto Rap is the Discord. It's the best community in crypto. They get the earliest entry on the hottest projects in the space. And they had ample opportunity to scale into this project. This was something everybody was looking at well in advance. Anyways, Sleepy, I pinned the link in the chat right there. I also just sent it again for you. Discord.gg/CryptoRap. Anyways, as I was saying, very different from his usual MO. Dave Portnoy is usually very brazen on the live stream, telling people and promoting his project directly. When he launches it or CTOs it or whatever, he's usually screaming it in everyone's faces. Now, he's caught a lot of flack from that, not just from the crypto community, but from other big names in the space. At this point, if we jump on X, we've already seen that Kanye West was beefing with Dave Portnoy. But at this point, Nick Cannon, who just recently launched a token 2 days ago, the token, by the way, is doing pretty well. He has now also been beefing with Dave Portnoy. If you jump, look at this. He said right here, you can see the tweet right here. Nick Cannon tweeted, "I have more money than Dave Portnoy. I don't need to dump on you. Let's send this to 100 million for the culture." He's talking about his token Wildin' Out. So he has been tweeting directly to Dave Portnoy. Dave Portnoy then responded. You can see right here the exchange. "No shot that somebody with 52 kids has more money than me. Zero." That's what Dave Portnoy said about Nick Cannon on Twitter. Nick Cannon then replied directly to Dave Portnoy saying, "I don't pull out unlike you. 52 kids is better than 53 rugs." Are you guys hearing that? Are you guys hearing that? This is crazy. Nick Cannon is subtweeting Dave Portnoy's girl on the timeline. He's directly attacking him. This is one of the biggest beefs that cryptocurrency has seen, emerging at a time when the market is pretty much dead. Look at this. As we speak on stream, this chart is shattering all-time high, wicking up to 8 million. 8 million. It gained $2 million in a flash. Hello? Wake up, chat. This thing is absolutely mooning right now, capturing crazy volume, pushing the boundary. A lot of coins in the market flopping right now. This thing is gaining millions in seconds. There is a lot of attention on this. 7.27. Keep an eye on this. This is climbing. Something might have just happened. Perhaps Dave Portnoy mentioned the coin. He shouted it out. He went live about it. He had a feature today on Fox. He was going to be on national television. And that was an opportunity for him to promote his token, or at least to talk about his recent entry into cryptocurrency. But we'll see. What is the coin name? The coin name is Greed3. Greed3. For those of you who have been paying attention to the market, you know that Dave Portnoy has been launching a series of rug pulls. He has launched Greed 1, Greed 2, and now the highly anticipated Greed 3. Keep in mind, Greeds 1 and 2 are now both currently sitting at a fraction of their all-time high. They are pretty much just rug pulls. They went straight to zero after launch. So don't expect too much coming out of Greed 3. But we've been talking on the stream about some of the unique differences between Greed 3 and Greeds 1 and 2. How Dave Portnoy is playing the game a little bit differently here. And it seems to be playing out pretty well for him so far. It's still early to tell. It's less than 2 days here. But this thing started very low, cruised up to 1 million and change, sat there for a while, moved up to 3 mil, but then dipped. There was a long period of time where people were unsure of if this project was legit. But it's been confirmed on the blockchain. I don't know if Dave Portnoy has actually said anything about it officially yet, but something about this price action makes me think that perhaps he has. What's Nick coin name? The Nick Cannon coin is Wildin' Out. Let's check it out. Wildin' Out. Okay. What the fuck? No. Wildin'. There we go. Okay. So this thing is less than a day old. Even newer than Greed 3, which is relatively new. This is Nick Cannon's official coin. Look at the chart. It looks fantastic. Finally, the market is revived a little bit, and Solana is seeing a number of meme coin runners that are actually picking up the pace, showing some strong, confident, upward momentum. There's no guarantee that these are going to last, but so far so great, especially compared to the market that we've been seeing recently. Now take a look at this. 18 hours, 36 minutes old, almost $30 million volume. $30 million in a market like this is pretty impressive. It's sitting at $8.8 million market cap. Important to note that this is all-time high. They are pushing all-time high as we speak, topping out just under 10 million right now. This thing previously peaked around 8.5 mil, saw a dip all the way down to almost 3 mil, so really heavy dip there. But Nick himself has not given up. Like I just showed you guys, he was beefing with Dave Portnoy live on Twitter, and that's a big deal for X. The engagement numbers on these posts are nothing to shake a stick at. And I think more importantly, he's been on live for hours. I saw him on live this morning, but Nick Cannon's project has been on live on X Spaces for a really long time. And it's been doing great numbers. Thousands of people cycling through. And right now they've got 4.4K. If you look on the side, it's the top rated space that I have, the highest population space. And there's big names speaking in there. It's a pretty Chad community. Everybody wants a piece of that attention. Nick Cannon's obviously a big celebrity at this point. Captures a lot of media craze. So it's important that he's made a coin, and so far so great. This is outperforming the vast majority of celebrity coins, because the vast majority of celebrity coins will just go up and immediately come down. But this one actually is showing a confident bounce, cracking all-time high, potentially tapping 10 million here. They have a space of 4,000 in there. And this is happening concurrently with Greed 3. So two celebrities running coins at the same time, both charts looking pretty great, both of them shredding upwards convincingly. Bullrun Cock Diddy, shout out to Bullrun Cock Diddy. No way, look at this chart. It is just soaring. Super green spike right there. Fantastic performance. Dave Portnoy might have cracked the code. He might have figured out a way to actually launch a successful project. Or this is going to be at zero tomorrow. But here's the thing, his previous endeavors, some of them have run up to his best, most successful project was $250 million, 250 mil plus. There's really, really impressive market cap numbers there. If this goes anywhere close to that, you're looking at tremendous profit. But there's no telling. I mean, anything since that project that was so successful has not seen anything close to it. And the rugs have actually been quite quick, quite vicious and ruthless, and pretty much only rewarding the folks that got in early. This one, by contrast, has been a slow burner. A day and a half now, coursing upwards, green momentum the whole time. So far, so good, honestly. What else is going on? We got Blub over on AVAX. That's a big meme phenomenon. Took the world by storm. A lot of you guys are trading on Solana or Base or even Binance Smart Chain, maybe even Ethereum. None of you guys are really trading on AVAX, but this thing shredded almost $100 million market cap. This is a nascent meme coin, relatively new project. It had a community. It's an established narrative, but really took the chain by storm. I think outperformed a lot of people's expectations, and a lot of people made pretty good guap off of this. NFT Nick even made a video about it this morning. Dang, we're hitting the single digit viewership numbers. That is truly tragic, I must say. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna end the stream then. Thanks for tuning in though. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you. This has been a Crypto Rap exclusive. Make sure you guys join that Discord. I pinned it down there in the chat. Thanks for tuning in. It was a short one, but it was a good one. 15 raw, unfiltered minutes of looking at two of the hottest celebrity coins in the market. Who will persevere? Probably neither of them. They're probably both going to zero. So, yeah, good luck. Not financial advice. Do your own research.